Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about what MPLS dedicated LAN is and its wide application in enterprises. As we all know, large companies nowadays are all IT managed with many intranet systems such as OA, ERP, and CRM. By inputting and querying data through various management systems, headquarters can manage our branch office systematically. However, there is a question of where to deploy these systems. It's not secure to deploy them on the internet, so we choose to deploy them on the intranet. But how can we ensure stable and secure transmission of data between different intranet systems? We can purchase dedicated LAN from telecom operators and achieve interconnection between intranet in different regions through technical means. Someone may ask, isn't this VPN technology? We mentioned VPN earlier, which need to be configured and deployed by ourselves, while dedicated LAN are deployed by telecom operators. The biggest difference between the two is that the dedicated LAN we purchase are not encrypted, which means they are safe and stable. The telecom operator provides the LAN, guaranteeing the security of the data. Therefore, data does not need to be encrypted and can be transmitted stably from one end to the other. In summary, MPLS is an end-to-end dedicated LAN provided by telecom operators which enable data transmission between enterprise intranet. It has nothing to do with internet and is used to manage branch business. That's all for today's sharing. If you have other technology you want to learn or question about this video, please leave a message below. And remember to subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone.